welcome sa panibagong araw na naman dito sa Japan. Today is November 22, last day na natin dito sa Osaka. Kasi lilipat na tayong Tokyo. It's 8:45 and yung biyahe natin ng Shinkansen is at 10:06. Ito yung lobby as pinakita ko sa inyo nung nakaraang araw. Meron ditong weighing scale. And look, oh, walang bantay. So yung pag-checkout natin is iiwan lang yung key in this box. So yung goal natin is pupunta tayong Shin Osaka Station. 21 minutes siya galing sa ating usual na Dobutsunmai Station. Hirap ng dalawa yung maleta. Nahihirapan ako sa kalisod. So after 2.5 hours guys, we're here na in Tokyo. So i-figure out muna namin kung saan yung hotel namin, and then lunch, and then mag-stroll around na. And actually, hindi ko pa nasabi, yung hotel today is for 1 day stay lang. Kasi yung existing hotel namin, kulang ng 1 day. So, lunch muna kami guys dito lang sa labas ng Tokyo Station. Ito yung order ko, grilled chicken and then may egg. Actually, hindi ko alam. Ba't malamig yung egg? Hilaw ba to? Hindi naman hilaw yung pinili ko kasi may option doon na hilaw. May option na boiled. Boiled yung pinili ko. Boiled egg. Boiled egg pala talaga siya guys. Oh. Soft boiled egg. Looks good siya. So, hello guys. Nakapag-check-in na kami. It's 4:40. Pupunta tayong Shinjuku. Ay, Shibuya pala. Shibuya, and then transfer tayo to Shinjuku. Nililiitan ko lang yung boses ko kasi baka mapabarangay tayo dito. Super peaceful ng neighborhood ng hostel namin, in fairness. So, yung sabi dito, papasok tayo sa Nishidai Station. Ito yung pinaglabasan natin kanina. And, dapat tayong Jimbucho Station. And, punta ng Shibuya. 1 hour and 3 minutes yung biyahe. Ito yung Nishida Station. She was just a figment of a daydream, wishing she would dive and come and save me. We were at a party up in Cape Cod, jumping in the water at the lake dock. Sun was in her eyes and it was so hot, but I'm the boy that she was trying to blow up. Cause she wants a guy that has a bad boy reputation. I don't wanna ruin my vacation by falling in. So we're here na guys sa Shibuya area. Nag-exit lang kami sa exit B2. And pabalik-balik na lang po kami dito sa gilid. Hanggang sa maabot namin yung Shibuya Crossing, pagod na kaming tumawid. Oh, ito na yung famous Shibuya Crossing, guys. Oh. So, anong ginawa mo sa Tokyo? Tumawid ng Shibuya Crossing. Oh, look. Two-step like they do. Two-step like they do. Those movies, let's get moving. Let's get moving. Ooh. I said you're looking so sun-kissed. She said, do you wanna have a fun trip? I said, I don't ever wanna leave here. Asked if I could put us in a new gear. Maybe I could take you back to LA. Promise you won't ever have a bad day. Driving in a Beamer on the highway. I just wanna see you coming my way. Oh, cause we don't need no shoes on our feet to get this move. こちらの席に失礼いたします。こちらお待たせいたしました。ありがとう。それでは失礼いたします。Amazing. Grabe naman yun. May pabaw. But I kinda wanna roll in Kumusta? No pork ramen. Matalap.
Matalap siya. Unang higop. Sabang talap na lahap ako. Namusog na ako. Parang
Maluad na.
medyo na lang naumay na. Maluad.
So, yung instruction is west exit daw. And ito na yung west exit. So, follow na lang natin yung guardian angel natin. Grabing daming tao dito sa Shinjuku Station, guys. Super busy naman ang lugar, in fairness. So, since hindi namin mahanap kung saan ba yung lintik na west gate na yan, lalabas na lang kami somewhere sa street, tsaka mag-google maps na lang. Yell to the rescue.
To the navigator, or guardian.
Yeah, our guardian devil. Guys, it's 8:51 na. Di pa rin namin mahanap yung Westgate. Pinaglululok ko talaga kami ng Westgate, guys. Ay, wala bang katapusan to, Shinjuku Station. Ngayon ko na na-realize, ngayon ko na na-feel yung mga nawa-watch ko sa TikTok na grabe daw yung Shinjuku Station.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Actually guys, hindi kami makaalis ng Shinjuku Station. Yun na lang yung goal namin. Hindi namin goal mahanap si Godzilla. Yung goal namin makaalis dito. Hindi kami makaalis.
Palabasin nyo naman lang kami, Shinjuku Station. I-try na lang natin tong walkway to opposite side, guys. Hala, shake, rattle, and roll.
Shinjuku pa rin.
Shinjuku pa rin! Shinjuku!
Western Force. Lagi ba? Western Force ba?
Lagi sino? Babalik na naman tayo sa loob.
Tinawa natin dito.
I was slipping down the sidewalk. Summer after college, met a lifeguard. She was just a figment of a daydream. Wishing she would dive and come and
Shinjuku,
save
guys,
me.
oh.
We were out of party.
Hinahanap lang namin yung ulo ni Godzilla. So, papunta na tayo sa kabilang version ng magulo na Shinjuku. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang daming tao, nagbubugiot.
That's a bad boy reputation. I don't wanna ruin my vacation.
Dito na po tayo sa hinahanap-hanap nating Godzilla head. Kanina pa pala siya nasa harap namin, di lang namin nakita kasi madilim. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 here in Tokyo. So today is November 23. Sabi ko nga kahapon, di ba, one day lang tayo dito sa hostel na pinagsistiyan natin today. And mag-check out na tayo. Mag-breakfast muna tayo. Ito yung favorite ko so far. Yung bread na may cream sa loob. Ito yung itsura niya, oh. Sa Family Mart namin to nabili kagabi. Anything na may cream na palaman, favorite. My favorite. Itadakimasu. Hindi pala ako nakapag-room tour kagabi kasi super tired na ante nyo. Ito yung itsura. Ito yung, ano ba to? Welcome floor. Tapos, meron ditong washing machine, wifi, merong iron, merong ref, microwave, rice cooker, may lababo, and yung bed, super laki. Like, this place can accommodate up to 6 people. Ito yung CR. Separate lang din yung sink tsaka yung bathroom. This is around 9,000 plus per night. Medyo on the pricier side siya, pero wala na kaming no choice. Kasi, wala na kaming nahanap na accommodation na mura. Okay yung place for like big group, like barkada, pero if like may kasama kayong senior citizen, mga parents nyo, hindi ko siya ma-recommend kasi wala siyang elevator. And then, medyo malayo siya sa station. Pero if mga friends lang yung kasama ninyo, push. Para makatipid. Kasi good for 6 packs na eh. Ay makakapagluto ka na, no? Magluluto tayo ng pansit canton. Tapusin lang namin yung pag-prepare and then, lalabas na tayo at mag-check out. So, here's the luggage situation, guys. He's here. Magla-lunch muna kami sa Sukiya and pupunta ng next hostel. Ito yung order ko, guys. Gyudon with 3 cheese. 850 yen to, guys. Actually, tig 650 lang siya. Pero, in-upgrade ko siya to medium. Kaya naging 850. Feeling ko mas masarap to kung may hot sauce. Better siya na medyo maanghang. In fairness. Sarap. Same kami ng in-order ni Yel. Kamusta, ma'am?
Ramen. Ma'am, delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. So, tapos na kaming mag-lunch, guys. Naglalakad na lang kami. Ito, standby muna ng very light kasi nandun pa sila, friends. Papunta na kaming station kasi papunta na kaming hostel. By the way, it's just 11 degrees pero super lamig. Hindi ako nakapag-trench coat. Kailangan na ng laba yung trench coat ko. Hindi na niya kaya for another day. Kailangan na natin siyang labhan. Yung rockstar po namin, vocalist po. Vocalist ng Aegis. Vocalist ng Aegis. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo, guys, sa next hostel. So, next hostel natin, yun is Sakura Hotel Nippori. Lapit lang siya sa Chuo Line, which is good. Yung maganda dito kasi may space in this area para sa mga luggage. Meron din ditong lagayan ng bags. Tapos, double deck and futon. This costs around 27,000. Since tatlo kami, tig 1,800 or 1,700 per day. Kasi we'll be staying here for 5 days. So magre-rest muna kami ng a little bit. And then, pupunta na ng Ginza. So, maraming CR, guys. Gender-free. Ito naman, gender-free na shower. Dito, pang guy, pang girls. So, total na 3 toilet yung meron. So, ito yung lobby. Look. Papa-luggage storage din sila if early mag-check-in. And if late pa yung flight. May canteen here. And then yung laundry area is nasa kabilang building. So, we're heading back to the station kasi we're gonna go to Ginza. Magsha-shop si Madam Mariel, ang vocalist ng Aegis.
May gigiyot.
Dala niya po yung speaker, yung mic niya. Feeling ko tong street na to, hindi to kasing peaceful ng street kahapon or kagabi. Kasi sentro siya eh. The location is so good. Kasi malapit lang siya sa station. And then, maraming establishments sa labas. So, nakalabas na tayo ng station. Nandito na tayo sa Ginza area. Land of the Social. Oh. Yung goal natin is makapuntang Uniqlo flagship store. And sabi dito, diretso lang daw. Temperature check, guys, is just 14 degrees. Pero super lamig. Si Franz nag-i-enjoy. Parang sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Nakakaloka. Feeling ko mas malamig now kahit 14 degrees kasi malakas yung hangin. Tungod sa hangin. Doon na kami magpa-bebe shopping, guys. Actually, sa Gio lang naman, tapos sa Uniqlo. So, ito yung Ginza Street at night. Para talaga siyang Gangnam. Kasi marami ding mga luxury brands. Guys, nadaanan lang namin to and super bango. So, let's try. I-try natin yung plain 160 and then maple 180. Isa. There's nothing special about it. Pero worth it pa rin i-try. Siyempre, affordable lang naman. Sugo na, guys. And marami din naman siyang flavor. Si Franz, gustong-gusto niya yung chocolate. So, try niyo yung chocolate. So tapos na kami maglibot-libot at mamili ng kung anik-anik. Yung panalo for today's video is si Mariel. Sobrang dami nang nabili niya. And right now is nasa Yoshinoya lang kami kasi magdi-dinner. Kaya super lamig, nakakaloka. Nahanap-hanap namin yung lamig and ngayon nandito na. Parang magkakasakit na ako. Alam mo, magpupunta kami ng Sapporo. We'll be having a one-day trip sa Sapporo. Pero si Mariel, arigato. Ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Malamig, super lamig. And ayun na nga, mag-one-day trip kami sa Sapporo. And si Mariel, kinakabahan na kung kakayanin niya yung snow. Pero ginusto niya yan. Siya yung rason, ba't mag-one-day trip kami doon sa Sapporo. Doon siya, we'll be having a 2-day trip. Kami habol lang. So ayun, ang bilis ng serving. Nandito na yung order natin. Rice, beef, and miso soup. 898 won. So around 400 to 450 pesos. Tapusin lang namin to guys and then checkahan ko kayo kung ano pa yung magiging ganap after. Pero most probably, uwian time na. Kasi tomorrow, early pa yung call time natin. Magmamang Fuji tour tayo. So, dapat mga 6 prepared na. And then as much as possible, nakaalis na ng hostel. Kasi baka mawala pa kami sa meet-up, maiwan pa kami ng bus. So it's better na mas early, diba? Anyway, having said that, I think, end na natin tong vlog na to. Napakawalang kwenta naman tong araw na to. Sige, thank you so much for watching. Abangan nyo pa yung ibang vlogs. And as usual, if nagustuhan mo yung vlog na to, please like or comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next vlog.